Supplied hardware and recommended tools. Two 12mm tall spacers, two M8 by 100mm bolts, washers, and nylock nuts, two 60mm tall spacers, two M8 by 80mm bolts, washers, and nylock nuts, two aluminum footpeg spacers, next, four M6 by 20mm bolts plus washers plus nylock nuts, next, a ratchet, screwdriver with optional bits, Torx 40 bit T40, 5mm Allen key or Allen bit, 13mm hex socket, 13mm wrench or spanner, ratchet extension, 10mm hex socket or wrench / spanner. Finally, 10mm wrench or spanner. By grabbing the 5mm Allen key, loosen the two bolts that secure the plastic tray / panel under the seat. Once you remove the bolts from back there, you can start lifting off the tray, including the tray which holds the original toolbox, toolkit, like so. Gently remove it. You can completely remove the tray with the toolkit, put it to the side, hang this panel on one side. Then you can grab the right side pannier rack, but before you do so, please loosen the footpeg bolts just enough so you can slide in the footpeg spacers and the pannier rack's tab. Then grab the 12mm tall spacer and the M8 by 100mm long bolt plus washer. Push it through. Repeat the same at the back, except here with the 60mm tall spacer and the M8 by 80mm long bolt plus washer. Push it through. At the foot peg, you can slide in the foot peg spacer and then gently tighten it so it doesn't fall out. Like so. Then you can grab the two M8 nylock nuts and spin them on. Make sure they're not cross-threaded. You don't need tools at this point. Like so. Leave it loose. And then you can move on to the left side. If you're installing X-frames, please note that you must put the bolt through first and then the spacer on the other side before mounting the pannier rack, the left side pannier rack, onto the frame. With standard, it doesn't have to be the same procedure, but you may do so. And at the back, the 60mm tall spacer and the M8 by 80mm long bolt plus washer. You can then gently tighten the foot peg bolts, put in the foot peg spacer, and also tighten it just gently so it doesn't fall out. Next, you can grab the cross brace. Make sure to pay attention to the orientation. It's pointing up slightly. Then the M6 by 20 millimeter bolts plus washer plus nylock nuts. You can spin them on, leave it loose. Same on the other side. Washer, nylock nut, spin it on. No tools at this point. Like so. And you can grab the 10 millimeter wrench or spanner with the 10 millimeter socket and ratchet, or two 10 millimeter wrench / spanners. It's your choice. And tighten it. You can also tighten the other bolts now using the recommended tools. And this sums up the complete installation of the Pannier racks. Please double check the torque specs after a test ride, and should you have any questions, please reach out to us or leave us a comment. Thank you for watching.